friends, welcome to our new video. Today we are at Mazaraa Farm Shop. In Mazaraa Farm Shop we can see many vegetables and animals. Looking for a new family-friendly activity in Abu Dhabi? Head down to Mazaraa Farm Shop, a hidden gem in Bahyah that offers visitors a perfect day out. This is the place where we can buy ticket. There are 25 for adults and 15 for children. We can buy juices, waters, or even snacks if we are thirsty or hungry. If we purchase the ticket, we will get popcorn and juices for free. If we go straight and then left, we can see the animal section, and look where I'm sitting. I'm sitting near a sunflower. It's like pretty close to marigold. This is the orange tree, and the sign says don't pluck. You might wondering it's not an orange because it's a green color, but when it's harvesting it will come in orange color. Look, this is a mango tree. Usually I see mangoes in shops. It's my first time seeing the mango growing in the mango tree. My sister's excited to see all the animals. Guys, this is a goat farm and we can feed them. What can I feed? Okay, I got it. Goat, come and get it. Oh, what the gosh? Now we can see the roosters and hens in different varieties. There's also a pool for ducks to swim. This animal. We are seeing the sugarcane. There's the beautiful peacock. This one, I don't know what they're eating. There's brown and white stripes. And there's some things to put in the horse's back when we need to ride. This is a real bean. If you ate today, thank a farmer. It means a farmer produces vegetables and fruits for us. So we have to be always thankful to the farmer. Guys, I plucked the tomato. It's still green in color. So it have to take more and more days to be ready. This is the pumpkin. Did you know pumpkin grow in creepers like this? This is the corn. Even with the harsh desert climate, local farms are proving that it's possible to grow a variety of organic fruits and vegetables here in the UAE. Guys, this is the brinjal. What kind of vegetable is this? I don't know what is this. Finally, I found some farmer's tools. This is the rake and this is the shovel. Now I learned the technique how to dig the ground. See, I made a big hole. There's a bridge and we're going to cross the bridge. There's some fishes here. I know you can't see because it's really deep. Wow. We can see some banana plant. See? Some banana leaves. Wow. You have to come to this place. Like, I can't believe. Wait. What does here lead? I have no clue where it is. This is the grapevine. It's my first time seeing a grapevine. You have to come here. Really, you have to come here. It's like you can see all the animals and you can pluck any vegetables and buy them. This is the Mazaraa Farm Shop. Plenty of fresh products are available here to purchase. The whole concept is well presented in the style of a traditional farm shop. All the products are organically grown. Wow! Is this the ostrich egg? What? Wow, this ostrich egg is the biggest egg! This is the honeycomb. This is where the honeybee sits and makes honey out of it.
Beautiful, how are you?
Yeah.
You fine?
What's your name?
Anupara.
Anupara. How old are you?
How old are you? Yes. Okay. The staffs here in the Mazaraa Cafe are very friendly. We spend a lot of time talking with them.
From me, from Mazaraa Cafe, it's like this.
For beautiful lady.
Wow! And you? Yeah, you see?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
A visit to Mazaraa Farm Shop not only provides outdoor fun for all the family, but also support a local business and help save the environment. This is the end of this video. If you want to watch more videos, all you gotta do is subscribe and put a like, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.